In front of me is OnePlus 9 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on red button at the bottom to start recording. To pause it or unpause it, use the same one. To discard it right away, hit cancel at the top left corner and hit quit recording. To add a bookmark, click at the bottom left one. To add a photo mark, on the bottom right one. Then take a pic. To discard it, select X on the left, and to add it, check mark on the right. To end and save your recording, hit save at the top right corner. Then name it and hit save in the pop-up. Now to play it, click on it and operate all of those options however you want to. Then you can go back and to get rid of it, hold it to click on delete option at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!